What is your name and where are you from?
My name is Gabriel and I'm from Missouri City, Texas.
And how did you hear about our company?
On Google.
And what do you like about our company?
Very friendly staff. Dr. Campbell knows exactly what he's talking about. He takes the time to educate you on anything that you may not know about and make you feel comfortable about the process.
And what does our company provide for you?
Stretches, adjustments, and different treatments for stretching and mobility.
If on a scale of 1 to 10, how would you rate us?
10.
And would you recommend us to friends and family?
Of course.